To comment or not to comment, I say comment. On this issue of transgender athletes competing in school sports, specifically athletes who are born male but choose to identify as female, wanting to compete in female sports. I remember now, a male who chooses to identify as female, despite dressing up in skirt and blouse and bra, he still has superior physical strength, power and speed based on the higher testosterone levels. So as lawmakers in the United States grapple to allow or not to allow, trans athletes have been playing victims, complaining about transphobia and discrimination and blah, blah, blah. Of course, the female athletes, who are actually females, have a more credible grounds and are being forced to compete against these boys who choose to be girls. All in a context where senior amateur and professional sports are divided by gender into male categories and female categories. So men don't compete against women and women don't compete against men. Anyway, me I try understand this thing about identifying as something that you are not. I'm start wonder if the Maverick can get up tomorrow morning and decide to me will identify as a dog. As a mongrel dog. Yes, yes. Call me the mongrel Maverick. Yes, yes, yes. And I want to migrate to Canada. Yes, yes, yes.